Yo, what is going on, everyone? It's AK Trades here, back with another trade recap or just an update. So today I'll be going over how I lost 4R today. So it's a bad day. I blew a total of 6 evals today. I wasn't on my A game at all. A little bit of an update this month. I got let's see if it loads a little bit. This month I got a payout, which is $1,377 payout, and these are the evals I blew today. So a major chunk. I got this payout, first payout after this is the third 3 months really, but I ended up self sabotaging. But let's go over it. So going into the day, I see we have 1 hour bullish for a got happen right here. So we are in bullish order flow, and this is a if we were bearish, this should have continued lower, but it didn't. So we got past above this high. We created a protected point in price, and we're pushing higher, so we're bullish. Same thing here. 1 hour bullish fair value gap happened right here. Now, what are possible draws? This unfilled 30-minute gap plus unfilled 15-minute gap. What are also the possible draws? Wickless 4-hour gap right here. Wickless 1 hour gap right here. So I was leaning bearish, but order flow is bullish. That's the thing. Wickless 4 hour, wickless 1 hour, wickless 1 hour. Like bro, like she's insane. What do we see here? Where can we manipulate? So we're bullish, right? Where can we manipulate before delivering our draw? We can manipulate to this. We already manipulate to this 15-minute gap. Uh, so so I expected us to be bullish off of that. Also, there's a previous day as SMT, and we got a strong rejection. So if we make it back above this high, I'm assuming that the market maker buy model completes this high right here. Um, so that's that. Where could we manipulate? I wanted us to go lower, to fill this wickless hourly gap and tap into this 15-minute gap, because I wouldn't be comfortable longing before that. But as I know, if there are two draws, then wait for one draw to be taken and then look to short to the other. It's pretty much how it goes. I'm not comfortable to long, so let it go long and then wait to short. So today it was just poor trades. I obviously, as I mentioned, because we got above this high, I won't be comfortable shorting to the wickless hourly unless we take this. So I wanted manipulation higher and then lower, but I got scared by this these three candles here. I thought that it's gonna move without me, and I literally just shorted like right fucking here, assuming that we're gonna manipulate lower and then manipulate higher. But I got smoked there. Because of that, I went a little bit on. Obviously, I went on tilt and I just fucking shorted. When I saw 5 second rejection wick, I shorted here, uh, and said my account was blown at that point. But the real analysis is this is wickless. We generated liquidity. We pushed higher. The only place we can manipulate to was the uh, previous day high on ES and 1 hour gap on NQ. Once we took that, so bias is shorts because of generated liquidity. Now what am I looking for? Failed displacement IFUG. Failed displacement IFUG. We didn't get the short there. Got it here. But I'm considering this failed displacement. I basically took this. Something like this. Yeah. Basically took that, but I got stopped out. This is a decent trade. Dodgy took it as well. So um, I'm assuming this is the manipulation, and V shape right off the 1 hour gap and previous day high, and we have generated liquidity below. It's like an easy 1 to 1. Yeah, like an easy 1 to 1. So yeah, uh, That was my second trade, which with third trade, which I lost because didn't have enough. Uh, I didn't have enough drawdown. Apart from that, the third trade was this. So this is rejecting this 1 hour gap. I'm We put in this 9:30 a.m. SMT inside this 50-minute gap. Inside this 50-minute gap. So this is our protected point in price for longs. We push higher, we come down, fill the 15-minute gap, which is what we need to fill before going higher. Put in a protected point in price and displace away from it. Boom, and I wanted shorts to this wickless 4 hours. So this strong push lower. I'm assuming that this displacement will carry. It is a directional decider. If we're shorting with this move and we rejected the hourly, boom, then we short. So I was wrong on the direction. Obviously, this is the catalyst, and it didn't hit this catalyst, so it became a failure swing. It became a failure swing with the 9:30 protected high, protected low. So I was wrong there. But yeah, I think the trade of the day was this, exactly what I was looking for. So if there are two draws on liquidity, which I like, one is previous day high and one is the wickless candle. Wait for one draw to be taken and then short towards the other. My impatience today didn't let me do that, and like it made me go on tilt. But that's the right way to do it. So the trade of the day would have been this, the one trade which I took, but I didn't manage my risk properly. Apart from that, maybe I would have taken one loss here. And uh, this move pretty much told me like we're going higher. So maybe I don't know. Maybe would have taken this, um, and I would have got break even. I'm not sure if I would have shorted again because this is a catalyst. So once we reach here, maybe I could have taken this failed displacement. This failed displacement IVG. But yeah, those are my four trades. I ended up taking one market open short, which lost impatience. Second trade, some random ass bullshit. Third trade, the good trade of the day, but I didn't manage my risk properly. And fourth trade, decent trade. I don't know if I wasn't on tilt if I would have taken this or not, but it's not a bad trade. Just the catalyst wasn't taken. So yeah, that's how I lost 4 hour today. But it was a pretty simple day. I married my bias because of the wickless 4 hours. I keep doing that all the fucking time. But the thing is, we are in bullish order flow, so we put a protected point of price, displace away, protected point of price, displace away. So we are like we are in bullish order flow. So just maintain and respect bullish order flow. That's all I can say. But yeah, I've been not trading my best. I haven't been following my rules a lot. Here's my journal. Uh, Look, did I follow? Did I follow all my rules? Look at the number of no's. There are more no's than yeses, and still this month I ended up getting a payout. So I mean that should say, shit. Where to go? Yeah. So that's pretty much it. I do remember having a rule of if there are two, I need to be patient with myself and be patient with my entries. I remember having a rule that if there are two draws, I wait for one draw to get taken out, and then I can be comfortable targeting the other draw. But that's pretty much it. I'll be posting daily recaps on my trades and how like plus or negative R I made, etc. So yeah, peace.